Bonce MFA 4.180 review. This tiny amp hits hard. Too much power for a budget build? Ever feel like your sound system's holding you back? You tweak, tune, and troubleshoot, but the sound still feels flat, underpowered, and just disappointing. You've wasted hours hunting for the perfect amp, only to end up with overpriced bulk or underwhelming wattage. It's frustrating, demotivating, and frankly a buzzkill. Whether you're cruising downtown or headed to a show, your mids sound mushy, your highs muddy. Your setup deserves better, and so do your ears. But hey, it's not your fault. Finding clean, affordable power that actually fits your build is harder than it should be. Until now. And it gets worse before it gets better. Deadlines are looming. The meat is this weekend. Your old amp overheats, clips under load, or simply can't hang with your build. You got no time for warranty claims or another round of audio snake oil. You're burned out, second-guessing every purchase, and wasting weekends reinstalling gear that just doesn't deliver. Miss bass drops? Embarrassing. Drown out vocals? Unforgivable. You're chasing performance, but it feels like you're paying more and hearing less. At this point, the real risk is doing nothing and settling for mediocrity. Time for a serious glow-up. Meet the Machete Fight MFA 4.180. This compact Class D 4-channel amp pumps 1080 watt RMS at 4 ohms, 270 watt by 4 at 2 ohms, or 540 watt by 2 bridged, meaning you're armed for any setup from mids to compact subwoofers. With dual HPF/LPF filters, 50 to 12,000 Hz, 12 decibel per octave, a 20 to 20,000 Hz frequency response, and greater than 90 decibels SNR, this amp delivers tight, clean output without distortion. It's rugged, ultra-compact, 10.1 inches by 6 inches by 2.2 inches, and stable at 2 ohms. Perfect for surface mount installs with zero drama. Add an onboard protection LEDs, efficient cooling, and input sensitivity from 0.4 to 8 volt, and you've got the muscle and finesse your build demands. But forget the specs, let's talk results. Users are calling this amp clean, compact, and surprisingly punchy. One reviewer swapped their longtime favorite for this, calling it a pleasant surprise. Another pro installer said, "We use them all the time. Super reliable, zero callbacks. This thing just works. You'll notice smoother mids, punchier kicks, and vocals that cut. The rugged design handles heat like a champ. And the smart filters let you fine-tune your sound like a pro. Whether you're running components, mids, or mini subs, this amp gives you that pro-grade feel without the pro-grade price tag. Want sonic supremacy in a small box? This is it. Don't just think. Act. This thing moves fast. Thousands of car audio fans are already upgrading to the Machete Fight MFA 4.180. Stock doesn't sit long, and once it's gone, good luck finding it at this power-to-price ratio again. Still on the fence? It's compact, reliable, and tested by real users, not just marketing hype. No more second-guessing. No more underpowered sound. Your system is waiting for that upgrade, and this amp delivers it with zero excuses. Seize your setup's full potential. Smash that buy button. Take control of your audio game now.